Welcome to the best picks. The best Spinner Dominoes is probably one of the most exciting and engaging variations of the classic Dominoes game, adding a layer of interactive fun and strategic thinking that will keep you entertained for hours. It's simple enough for kids to learn but complex enough to challenge adults, making it the perfect game for family game nights or casual gatherings with friends. Number 5. Domino Double 6 Black Jumbo. Get ready to experience dominoes like never before. This set offers superior quality and an elegant design, perfect for serious players and enthusiasts alike. These are not your average dominoes. They're crafted from high-quality urea tiles, ensuring durability and a smooth playing experience. The sleek black tiles with crisp white spots provide excellent contrast and visibility. It's a sophisticated look that will elevate your game. Easily mix up the dominoes with the included spinners. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure a fair and random start to every game. Protect your investment and keep your dominoes organized in this luxurious black velvet case. It's the perfect storage solution and a stylish addition to any game room. These are jumbo-sized dominoes, designed for easy handling and visibility, ideal for tournament play or casual games with friends and family. What we like? If you appreciate high-quality materials and a classic look, this set is for you. Its elegant case makes it perfect for gifting or storing. Choose this if you value a sophisticated domino experience. What people say. Like the size, weight, and feel of the dominoes. These are great for 42. Amazing, well made compared to a regular jumbo-sized domino. This is really big. It's great for handling and easy pickup due to the thickness. The box is well made, no damage, and it spins so well. Number 4. Front Porch Classic Spinner Dominoes. Experience the thrill of Spinner, a game that combines the best elements of classic dominoes. It's a fast-paced, exciting game for everyone to enjoy. With 11 wild Spinner dominoes added to the mix, this isn't your average domino game. It's a game full of surprises and strategic twists. It's perfect for game nights with family and friends. Gather around and enjoy hours of fun and laughter. This beautiful wooden case is more than just storage, it's a testament to the quality and craftsmanship of this game. It's built to last a lifetime. Whether you're playing with a small group or a large gathering, there's always room for more players. It's a game that everyone can enjoy, regardless of age. It's a game that will keep you entertained for years to come. Get ready for endless fun and excitement with every game. What we like? If you're looking for a unique domino experience with a fun twist, this is it. The sturdy wooden box ensures it will last for years of gameplay. This is the best choice for those who enjoy a challenge and a bit of unpredictability. What people say. Spinners is a fun and easy game for the family and just adults, too. It's easy enough for kids as young as 8 to learn and still fun for adults. The dominoes are a nice weighted piece. The game is fun as well. These dominoes are well made. The enamel painting should last for years. They handle well, like bone or ivory. The storage box is nice. Number 3. Front Porch Classic Spinner Dominoes. It's one of the fastest growing domino games that combine strategy, chance, and a wild twist. Experience a game that adds an extra layer of excitement to classic domino play. This set includes 66 classic double tiles and 11 spinner wild dominoes, perfect for up to 8 players. It's more than just a double 9 domino game. They have high-quality, modern, and colorful tiles. The smooth surface and rounded corners provide the perfect weight and balance. Take it with you anywhere in its reusable tin case. It's perfect for on-the-go gaming, whether you're on a road trip or playing at home. The large dots are easy to read, ensuring players of all ages can participate with ease. Clarity and visibility are a priority. It's part of the University Games Domino collection, known for quality and durability. It's great for players of all levels. Each domino is crafted with precision for the perfect weight and balance. You'll enjoy a smooth and satisfying gameplay session. What we like? If portability and vibrant gameplay are your priorities, this set is perfect. The convenient tin makes it ideal for travel and the bright colors make it easy to play anywhere. It's great for families and casual players alike. What people say. It is sturdy, easily portable, and are a good value. It is fun for ages 6 to 80. The dominoes themselves are very well made with high-quality materials that can take some punishment, and the colors are very vibrant and easy to identify. Very nice quality game. Comes in a tin to keep them. The dominoes are good quality. They are thick and play well. The game is simple to learn. A full game with 4 people takes around an hour. Much quicker than some of the other domino games like Mexican Train. It'll be great to take in our camper too. Number 2. Domino Double 6 Travel Set. This elegant set is perfect for game nights on the go. It's beautifully crafted and includes everything you need for hours of fun. With 28 high-quality dominoes, you'll always have enough pieces for a full game. Each one is meticulously crafted for durability and smooth play. The classic ivory and black design is timeless and elegant. They're easy to handle and visually appealing. These aren't your average dominoes. The metal spinners add a touch of luxury and ensure a smooth, satisfying game experience. The included travel case keeps everything organized and protected. It's perfect for taking it with you wherever you go. Take it with you on trips, picnics, or playdates. It's compact and easy to transport. This set makes a wonderful gift for domino enthusiasts of all ages. It's a thoughtful present that will be enjoyed for years to come. What we like? If you're looking for a portable and stylish set, this is a great option. The faux ivory tiles and metal spinners add a touch of elegance. This is perfect for those who value both quality and convenience. What people say. Nice case and travel size. They are attractive and have a good, solid feel. The carrying case is good looking and useful. I like the little nubs in the middle of each piece. Helps washing them each game easier. Number 1. We Games Double 6 Dominoes. These classic dominoes are perfect for family game nights or educational activities. They're beautifully designed and built to last for years of fun. Each domino measures 2.1875 by 1.125 by 0.4375 inches, and the set includes 28 pieces. The sturdy vinyl case keeps them organized and protected. They feature a unique two-tone design with black bottoms and white tops. Metal spinners make them easy to handle and enhance gameplay. It's a great way to develop math and strategy skills. Playing dominoes also helps build important social skills. Dominoes foster communication, patience, and turn-taking. It's enjoyable family time that also enhances focus and attention. We Games has been creating high-quality traditional games since 1977. We're proud to support the Toy Foundation. What we like? If you appreciate vintage style and high-quality materials, this set is a must-have. The unique two-tone design and metal spinners add a touch of class. This is ideal for those who value both aesthetics and gameplay. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.